have my grandbaby here, and that means I need to make some things that are top-notch, delicious and fun, but also keeping them nutritionally dense. So today we're gonna be making a smoothie, and we're gonna also turn that into popsicles. You wanna help? I'll let you sit right here and you can help. Here, you hold this until we're ready. So what I have in here are bananas, a cup of passion fruit, pineapple, and mango. And now I'm going to pour in some coconut milk, healthy fats, and so delicious. I am putting in a scoop of protein powder. This is Trevani, which has super simple ingredients, so I really appreciate that. And just for another boost of nutrients, we're putting in some blue spirulina. What a great way to add some wonderful color and nutrients all at the same time. Makes it so fun. All right, so all we have to do now is blend away. Okay, I'm gonna use that. Thank you for your assistance. So it's gonna be really thick. We're gonna start with the tamper in the machine because we're gonna need it. It is done, and look at this beautiful color. It reminds me of a mermaid. That is tasty. Another taste? The passion fruit really adds a nice level of tartness and sweetness, but it's also adding another level of nutrients. This has so many good things going on with vitamins and minerals, protein, healthy fats, and we're just covering everything that we need, especially to fuel those little bodies well. This is a prime time to really fill them with nutrients because you want their tanks full as we send them out into the world. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give her some of the smoothie, and then I'm gonna fill up the popsicles. Yum. Whoops. You like it? 10 out of 10? This is so good. I can't wait for you to try it. For the popsicles, I'm gonna cut up some peaches just to have real fruit included in the popsicle, and another little texture profile makes it kind of fun. And I feel like peaches go very well with the fruits that we have already incorporated in the mix. Those pool days, you know, take those popsicles to the kiddos at the pool. Okay, so now these are gonna go in the freezer about 4 hours. So as you can see, she loves it. Nice healthy snack, great for the summer. High five. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you would comment, let me know what you think. If you try it, let me know if you like it. You guys have a great day.